Good morning. So it is Thursday today and I'm just making some breakfast and coffee and I don't want to get it burned, so let's go to the back.
I was sure that it'll be easier to clear you from my mind. Struggle with dusty corners so we'll fill with faded bombs. Bomb, bomb, bomb. The situation got upset when I stepped on a memory thorn. I did it to myself. That I heavy had to break free from the minefield that you are. Just before you break a bone. Oh, you're reflecting, I'm deflecting, burning tires to move on. Too many noises, clash the choices.
Okay, I'm back from the walk. On Thursdays I usually talk to my family in Slovenia. I've only been living... Oh, you're falling. So if you didn't know, I'm from Slovenia, but I've been living in Canada for almost 6 years now. Okay, I've talked for 2 hours and now I'm starving. So I have 15 minutes until my next call. So I'm just gonna make a quick lunch. Okay, I'm done with all the calls and now I want to go for another walk before it gets dark and I can see the sun's out. And then after the walk, we're going to hot yoga. Walk number 2. I have this challenge to throw dog poopy bag into that container over there. I've only tried once and I have failed, so this is my second attempt. Okay, this is how far I am standing. Okay, let's do this. I was actually better the first time, so I did try with my left. Next time I'll do it with my right hand. Okay, the heater is on. They went for another walk and I'm just doing the dishes and then we're going to bed because it's like 9. It's actually 9:10. But yeah, no, we're tired from the yoga. We want to go to bed. I'm gonna read something on Kindle and yeah, that's it. We're finishing off. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you had a nice day as well. Bye!